Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevelle SS396 L78 with 375 horsepower and a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it really caught your eye being black with black interior. Someone had done a recent restoration on it. Made a few day 2 mods under the hood as far as the air cleaner and the intake manifold. And but still a very rare car out of the SS396 Chevelles. You basically had 3 different 396 engines, the 325 horse L35, and then the L34 350 horse, which what most of them were, and then the L78 was 375 horsepower, and that's what this guy is, and they made 3,099 of those. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Chevelle SS396 with the L78 375 horsepower engine, a 4-speed transmission, and a recent restoration in black, looking great. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.